A bit going on here as we go through this system, and I want to give you just a small close-up view of what we're dealing with. Again, 1997, and this is probably the part of the system that you never see. It's the inside, and you'll see I've got a little bit of everything here. So I've got some debris inside the where the filter should be, and I've got some rust on the coil. Nothing lethal here. All things that I can get junk out of there. I can clean this up. I'm going to professionally suck out this drain line with a shop vac and some cleaning chemicals. I'm not going to pour bleach because, again, that's probably how some of this damage occurred, is by the homeowner pouring some bleach into the system. I'm going to be getting into the blower section of this as well. If you can see those blades in there, those have to be very clean in order for this system to operate efficiently, and there's quite a bit of dust. You can see the buildup on the inside. I'll wipe this down for the homeowner today, get it factory fresh. This isn't the kind of stuff they want to be breathing in. Systems like this that have been neglected and haven't had proper maintenance, it's going to show up in the home as an odor. It's going to show up in the home as excessive dust, and it's going to show up in the pocketbook of the client in high utility bills. There's no way that this system is operating efficiently in this condition. Again, with the electrical components here, I've said it several times in the video today, very important that this be done by a trained professional. This is not a how-to video for the homeowner to do a weekend cleanup project. This is something that needs to be handled by a trained professional, a licensed air conditioning professional. A lot of duct cleaning companies that come out, they're not even allowed to go into this section of the air conditioning because they're not a licensed air conditioning contractor. Be taking the system's blood pressure today, be measuring the temperature, just like you go to the doctor and stick out your tongue and say, ah. Very much like taking your blood pressure. If we have high duct pressure, it's going to show up in a blown blower motor or a bad compressor. And if I can find that problem and fix it today, I can prevent very costly breakdowns for the homeowner. Be treating the ductwork today to get rid of the odor that the homeowner is complaining of. And there's a lot of little things, folks, that I do. When I put it back together, if the screws are rusted, I replace them with new screws. Very, very thorough, professional factory restoration that we perform for the client. Very proud of the company that I work for, Acree Air Conditioning. We provide a level of service that can't be found today in our industry. We're always open 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Never any overtime charges. And all of the technicians out there are very much like me, highly trained, very skilled, and way more than qualified to do this right for a homeowner. Give us a call for your air conditioning service, 1-800. We are open, and we'll be glad to come out and save